Well, I just thought I'd show you the little coffee brewer. It's a little coffee pot. So that's your instructions. It's got ethically sourced coffee. Basically, you break off the little tab, which I have done previously, and it's on the floor. That becomes your spout, so that's the spout, and the right hand corner becomes your little handle. Lovely flat pack, but when you expand it out, it can sit on its own. So anyway, I'm going to brew up and then I'll show you what it looks like then. So that's now with the hot water, the boiled water poured in. It's seeping through the coffee into the bottom part of the bag, where you leave it for about 4 or 5 minutes to brew, and you just seal the top. Nice and simple. Always a challenge one-handed doing anything. And then for the little spout, you just stick the little cover over, and as you see from flat pack, sorry about this, but the weather's horrible. Flat pack to coffee pot, which is freestanding. This is where you do need 2 hands, because that's the click into place. There we go. Click. So, freestanding, reusable. Just get your own filter coffee. Obviously dry it out. Little flat pack coffee pot. How's that for fresh coffee in the morning? It is a bit grim out there. There are mountains, but you can't see them. Oh, there we are.